Hello students, and we are going to do some selected questions of linear equation in one variable. As you know, NCERT has rationalized the syllabus, so we'll be restricting ourselves only to solving equations and how to use various techniques of solving linear equations in one variable. Right, so let's straight jump into the questions. Now the first question is 3x is equal to 2. I'll do some selected ones here, right? And from those some good questions I'll do. Okay, like this question is very easy. Shift this to x to left hand side becomes x is equal to 18, right? So again, is 3t. You can bring this side and this minus 3 to other side, so it becomes minus 5t minus 3t is equal to 2t. That is equal to 3 minus 5, which is equal to minus 2. So t is equal to minus 1. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x, and 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So x will be equal to minus 2. Very simple ones. Okay. Now the second kind of question is, what you have to do is you have to flip both the sides, and you cross multiply this. So let 5 be multiplied by x, so it becomes 5x. That is equal to 4 into x plus 10 can be written as 4x plus 40. So x will be equal to 40. Okay, again 2x by 3, flip this 7x by 15. All the time your aim would be to have variables on one side and numbers on the other side. So 7x by 15, that is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. Now 2x by 3 can be written as you multiply it by 5 and you get 10x by 15. 10x by 15 minus 7x by 15 is equal to 5. So 3x by 15 is x by 5 is equal to 2. So x will be equal to 10. Right? So the value of x is equal to 10. Now bring this y to the left hand side, you get 3y is equal to 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is 21 by 3, which is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 by 3 is your answer, right? So you have to bring the variable on one side, number on the other side. Now, if you solve these questions as well, if you see over here, now if you see, now the fractions are also involved. So you bring the variables on left hand side. So x by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 over by 5. So x by 2 minus x by 3 can be written as 6. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 6. And 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 is 20. 5 plus 4 is 9 by 20. So x by 6 is equal to 9 by 20. X will be equal to 6 times 9 is 54 by 20, which is equal to 27 by 10. So value of this is 10. Okay, now similarly, you see 2, 4, and 6, all the variables on one side. So you take the LCM of 2, 4, and 6 to be 12. You make this 12, it becomes 6n minus 9n plus 10n. That is equal to 21. So 16n minus 9n is 7n. 7n by 12 is equal to 21. N will be equal to 12 into 21 by 7, which is equal to 3. So it will be 36. Okay. Again, there are some variables on left hand side, some numbers on both sides. So what we can do is you flip the variable on the left hand side and you flip the numbers on the other side. So x minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 7. Right? So what we can do is you make this as 6. So it'll be 6x minus 2 times 3 times 2 is 2. 2 times 8x is 16x plus 2 times 3, 3 times 15x. That is equal to 17 by 6 minus 7. So it will be 17 minus 6 into 7 divided by 6 if you want to do a little bit faster here. So 17 minus 42 is minus 25 over 6. That is equal to 6x plus 15x is 21x. 21x minus 16x is 5x. So 5x by 6 is equal to 25 by 6. Now 6 and 6 will get cancelled. 5 and 25 will get cancelled, minus 5. So x will be equal to minus 5. Right? So these are some of the straightforward questions which are normally get asked in these kind of in NCERT level. Right? Now let's move on to next set of questions in linear equations in one variable. Now these kind of questions here, if you see over here, now this the variable and numbers are combined and divided by a number. So what we can do is you cross multiply this, and what are we getting? You cross multiply 3 with x minus 3. So 3 times x minus 3 is equal to 5 times x minus 5. So 5x minus 15 is equal to 3x minus 9. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 15 minus 9, which is 6. So 2x is equal to 6. X will be equal to 3. Okay. Again, here also you are seeing partly then there is a fraction and partly there is a whole number. So what we can do is you can take the LCM of the denominators on both sides, and you multiply that denominator, that number, whatever you LCM you get, you multiply that with both sides. So 4 and 3 and 3. What is LCM? It is 12. So you multiply both sides by 12. What are you getting? So 12 into 3t minus 4 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 12 times 2 by 3 minus t. Okay, so if you solve this one, it comes out to be 4 3s are 12. So 3 times 3t minus 2. Okay, and minus 3 times 4 is 4 times 2t plus 3. That is equal to 3 times 4, 8 minus 12t. Right? This is how you can do this. Okay. Now, if you again solve it a little bit, and then you can finally solve it the last, finally, when you get to the point where you have only variables and numbers, what are we getting? 9t minus 6 minus 8t minus 12 is equal to 8 minus 12t. So flip this to a minus 12 to the left hand side. What are you getting? 8t, 9t minus 8t is t, and t plus 12t is 13t. That is equal to 12 and 6, 18. Minus 6 and minus 12 goes to other side, becomes 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. So t will be equal to 2. So the value of t is 2. Right? Similarly, you can do the same thing. So I do the same thing and multiply both sides by 6, because the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. What are we getting? 6m minus 2 times 6 is 3. So 3 times m minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 3 times 2 into m minus 2. So it will be 6m minus 3m plus 3. That is equal to 6 minus 2m plus 4. So 6m minus 3m is 3m plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 2m. 10 minus 2m. So 3m plus 2m is 5m, and 10 minus 3 is 7. So m will be equal to 7 over 5. Let's look at it one more time so that we have not made any mistake. So 3 times m minus 1 is minus 3m plus 3. And on the right hand side, it will be 6 minus 2 times m minus 2. So it will be minus 2m plus 4. 3m and minus 2m is 5m. And 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. So m will be equal to 7 over 5. So these are the questions which are generally asked at NCERT level in linear equations. Practice these questions and I'm sure you will come out with flying colors. Thank you, and have a great learning time. VMC is always there for you in helping you out. Thank you so much.